Hello, this is Shang, and today I'm going to teach you evaluate, simplify, and translate expressions. The first thing we will learn in this chapter is evaluate algebraic expressions. To evaluate an algebraic expression means to find the value of the expression when the variable is replaced by a given number. To evaluate an expression, we substitute the given number for the variable in the expressions, and then simplify the expression using the order of operations. To evaluate x plus 7 when x equals 3, x plus 7 equals 10. When x equals 3, x plus 7 equals 10. This would be the answer. And x equals 12, 12 plus 7 equals 19. So when x equals 12, x plus 7 equals 19. Next, you try to evaluate 4y minus 4 when y equals 3 and y equals 5. For these two questions, I'll give you like 20 seconds to answer it, or try to answer it. Okay, the answer is 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8, so the answer is 8. And 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 minus 4 equals 16. So the answer is 16. Next, to evaluate x minus 3 when x equals 2 and x equals y. For this one, I will give you again like 20 seconds to try to answer it. Okay, I think time's up. The answer will be x times 2 equals 16, and 16 minus 3 equals 12. Sorry, 16. This answer should be 13, not 12. And x times 1 equals 8. X minus 3 equals 5. Next, evaluate x to the power of 2 when x equals 10. The picture is not so clear, so like I will say x equals 12 equals 10 to the 12, because x equals 10, and 10, sorry, not 10 to the 12, 10 to the power of 2, and 10 times 10 equals 100. So we can say when x equals 10, the expression x to the power of 2 has a value of 100. Next, you try to evaluate x to the power of x when, so it's 3 to the power of x when x equals 4. And for this one, I will give you 15 seconds to answer it. And I think time's up. The answer is x to the power of 4 equals 81. Next, evaluate 3x plus 4y minus 6 when x equals 10 and y equals 2. So in the question before, we only try to evaluate the question with only one x or one y, and now you have to answer 3x plus 4y minus 6 when x equals 10 and y equals 2. So for this one, I'll give you 20 seconds to try to answer. Okay, the answer will be 30 plus 8 minus 6 equals 32, because 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 2 equals 8. So the answer, you can write that when x equals 10, y equals 2, 3x plus 4y minus 6 equals 32. Next, identify terms, coefficient, and like terms. Algebraic expressions are made out of terms. A term is a constant or the product of a constant and one or more variables. Some examples of terms are 7y, 5x to the 2, 9a, and 13xy. For this 5x2, it's actually 5x to the power of 2, like this one, but I typed it wrong. The constant that multiplies the variables in the terms is called the coefficients. We can think of the coefficient as the number in the front of the variables. The coefficient of the term 3x is 3. And when we write x, the coefficient is 1, since x equals 1 times x. So in the table below, you can see that terms is 9a, the coefficient is 9. Terms is y, coefficient 1. Term 5x plus 2, the coefficient is 5. An algebraic expression may consist of one or more terms add or subtract. In this chapter, we will only work with terms that are added together. Table below gives some examples of the algebraic expression with various numbers of terms. Notice that we include the operation before a term with it. So expression 7y, x plus 7, 2x plus 7y plus 4, 3x squared plus 4x squared plus 5y plus 3. The terms will be like 7y, x and 7, 2x and 7y and 4, 3x squared and 4x squared and y and 5y and 3. Next, you try to identify each terms in the expression 9b plus 15x to the power of 2 plus a plus 6. Then identify the coefficient of each term. For this one, I will give you like 30 seconds to try it. Okay, think time's up. The answer will be the expression has 4 terms, and they are 9b, 15x to the power of 2, a, and 6. The coefficient of 9b is 9. The coefficient of 15x to the power of 2 is 15. So remember that if no number is written before the variable, the coefficient is y, like a or y, x. For these kind of numbers, it's the coefficient is 1. So the coefficient of a is 1. The coefficient of a constant is the constant, so the coefficient of 6 is 6. Next, identify all terms in the given expression and their coefficients. 4x plus 3b plus 2. And again, for this one, I will give you 25 seconds to try to answer it. Answer expression 4x, 3b, and 2. And the coefficient is 4, 3, and 2. Because 4x, the coefficient is 4, 3b, coefficient is 3, the coefficient of 2 is 2. Some terms are shared common traits. Look at the following terms. Which one seems to have traits in common? So we can see that the terms 7 and 4 are both constant terms. The terms 5x and 3x are both terms with x. And the term n to the power of 2 and 9n to the power of 2 both have n to the power of 2. Because like 7 and 4, they are both constants. 5x, 3x, they are both variables with only one x. 9 to the power of 2 and n to the power of 2 and 9n to the power of 2. They are both n to the power of 2. Terms are called like terms if they have the same variables and the exponent. All constant terms are also like terms. Like 7 and y are like terms. 5x and 3x are like terms. N to the power of 2 and 9n to the power of 2 are like terms. And here is the definition of like terms. Terms that are either constant or have the same variables with the same exponent are like terms. But remember, for example, like 4n and 3x, even they both have one variable, but they have the different variable, which one is x, one is n, so they are not like terms. Now you try to identify the like terms. 7 to the power of x, 7 to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, 7x to the power of 2, 14, 23, 4y to the power of 3, 9x, and 5x to the power of 2. For this one, I'll give you 15 seconds to try it. Okay, the answer will be look at the variables and exponent. The expression contains y to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2, x, and constants. The terms of y to the power of 3 and 4y to the power of 3 are like terms because they both have y to the power of 3. Sorry, I didn't type out the to the power of. The terms of 7x to the power of 2 and 5x to the power of 2 are like terms because they both have x to the power of 2. The term 14 and 23 are like terms because they are both constant. The term 9x does not have any like terms in this list since no other terms have the variable x raised to the power of 1. Next, identify the like terms for 4x to the power of 2, 2x plus 5x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 40x plus xy. For this one, I will give you 25 seconds to answer. The answer is the terms 4x to the power of 2 and 5x to the power of 2 are like terms because they both have x to the power of 2. The terms 2x, 6x, and 40x are like terms because they all have x. The term xy has no like terms in the given expression because no other terms contain the two variable xy. Next, simplify expression by combining like terms. We can simplify an expression by combining the like terms. What do you think 3x plus 6i would simplify to? Through 9x. You will be, if you think the answer will be 9x, then you are correct because we can see 3x is 3x and plus 6x, which is 3 plus 6 is 9, so you get 9x. Add the coefficient and keeps the same variable. It doesn't matter what x is. If you have 3 of something and add 6 more of the same things, the result is 9 of them. For example, 3 orange plus 6 orange is 9 orange. We will discuss the mathematical properties behind this later. Simplify the expressions 3x plus 7 plus 4x plus 5. Just remember 3x and 4x are like terms and 7 and 5 are both coefficients which you can add together. For this one, I'll give you 15 seconds to answer it. The answer will be 7x plus 12, since 3 plus 4 equals 7 and 7 plus 5 equals 12. I don't know why the answer does not come out, but just remember the answer will be 7x plus 12 because 3 plus 4 is 7 and you add on the variable, and 7 plus 5 are both coefficients, so the answer will be 12. Okay. And this is the end of. Thank you for listening.